Assalamu alaikum, did you know about Google Voice? In this video, I show you how to make a Google Voice. Look like this.
শয়তানি যখন নারে. Hi, hello.
First go Chrome, then search sound of text. You see this interface, then tap the site. Then you see this interface. Scroll down, then press the text or write your text here. Then choose your language. Then press the submit button. Scroll down, you show this interface. Then press download button. Now your video is ready for use. Let's check, guys. Yes, it is done. Thanks for watching my video.